Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I had long been absent with my videos due to severe illness. Today I have appeared before you again with a different topic. In my previous videos, I had been with you on transformation of sentence, but today it is on conditionals. Why? Because there are provisions of if conditional sentences in transformation of sentences to transform complex to simple, complex to compound. This is my diagrammatical presentation. Conditionals. What is conditional? The sentence which expresses a condition is called a conditional sentence. Now, conditional sentence can be divided into two types. They are if conditional, another is closed conditional. That means conditional without if. And if we put these two conditional sentences, they will be divided into 5 different types. They are zero, first, second, third, and mixed. Zero conditional is real, result is the same in the past, present, and future. And its structure is if plus present. This is subordinating clause, and principal clause will be present. It is real. First conditional, this is too real, result is certain. If plus present, present means it can be of any type of present tense. It can be present indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Then result is certain, that means there will be some result, and it will be, the principal clause will be in future tense, future indefinite. Second condition, this is unreal, hypothetical, and imaginary. In this conditional sentence, with the structure we get is if plus V2, that means past indefinite. Then the principal clause will be with would, could, might plus verb base. Third conditional, unreal. This is too unreal, hypothetical, and imaginary. If plus past perfect, then the principal clause will be with would, could have, might have plus V3. Then the mixture of second and third is the mixed conditional. Now, present, in the present, and in future. The structure of zero condition is if plus present, comma, present. If plus present means it may be present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. Example: scientific truth. Truth. If we heat water, it evaporates. If we heat water, this one is in present indefinite tense, and its result is it evaporates. This is principal clause. Natural phenomenon. When the wind blows, comma, treetops move. It happened in the past, happening in the present time, and it will happen in the same way in future. This one is in closed condition, when the wind blows. Then routine work. If I wash the dishes, my sister dries them. Scheduled action. Action. When a train arrives at a station, becomes crowded. It becomes crowded because there are people waiting for the train, and there are people in the train who will get down, who get down. Then imperative mood. If you are sleepy, go to bed. Go to bed. Viewers, I have told that this if condition in general condition can be of any present tense. It can be present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, or present perfect continuous. If you have completed your lessons, you can go and watch TV. TV. If you are, this one is present perfect. If you have completed your lessons. If you are working hard, you are sure to succeed. Now let's come to the point of second condition. This one is what? Present continuous tense. You are working hard. And this one is present indefinite. So it can be present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Second condition. First condition. This is too real and result is certain. Is certain. And its structure is if plus subject plus present comma subject shall will auxiliary verb shall will, and shall will indicates future indefinite, plus verb base plus object or extension. If you work hard, or you will succeed. If you do not work hard, you will not succeed. Not succeed. Look at these two examples. If you work hard, you will succeed. And if you do not work hard, you will not succeed. Result is certain. Next comes second condition. This is unreal. Hypothetical. Hypothetical. Many of you may not know the meaning of hypothetical. It's speculative or suppositional, imaginary. Structure is if plus subject plus V2. That means it will be in the past indefinite tense, comma, subject, would, could, might, plus verb base, then extension or object. Example: if I were a bird, if I were a bird, comma, I would or I could fly high up in the sky. This is unreal, hypothetical or imaginary, because I'm a human being, not a bird, and can never be a bird. If I were a bird, why where? Because it is hypothetical or unreal or imaginary. That's why where. But if it were not in second condition, it would be was there. Then, if you worked hard, you would not have failed. You did not work hard. That's why you failed. And in that case, the second condition is if you worked hard, you would not have failed. Now let's come to the point of third condition. It is true, unreal, hypothetical, and imaginary. And the structure of third condition is if plus subject plus had plus V3. This is past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is subject had plus V3, comma, subject plus would have, could have, might have. Plus V3. Example, if I had seen her in the fair, I would have, or I could have, I would have taken her to our house. This condition tells us I went to the fair, she too went to the fair, and we were supposed to meet with each other, but it didn't happen. In that case, if I had seen her in the fair, I would have taken her to our house. Now, the last condition, the mixture of second and third condition. Mixed condition. It is the mixture of second plus third condition. Example, if I had learned German at school, I could speak German better. If I had learned grammar at school, this one is in third condition, that is, this one is the part of, not part, it's a past perfect tense, and this one is in the second condition, subject plus could, would, might, plus verb base. If I had learned German at school, I could speak German better. Viewers, there is one more thing. If we start the subordinating clause with if, then we are getting a comma after the subordinating clause. If you come to my house, comma, there is a comma. This one is subordinating clause. I will go to yours. That means your house. Go to yours. Now, if we put the principal clause at the beginning, then it is coming out to be I will go to your house, if you come to mine. That means my house. There is no comma in between the two clauses, principal clause and subordinating clause. Viewers, this is the end of conditional sentences, and it is very important to know why do we need to know conditionals, because it helps us understand right from the first, and also it will help us to understand clearly how to transform sentences. And it's a part of English grammar. If we don't know it, we'll be in the dark. I will appear before you in my next video on transformation of sentences again. Till then, goodbye.